Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to be taking you behind the scenes of how I shoot fashion editorial in the studio. Before we get to the video, make sure you subscribe and like the video. I just released a new pack of skin tone loads which I use to color grade the images from this video, and I have a tutorial on how to use it on this channel. There's a link to that video in the description below, and you can click on this card right now to see that video. The light system that I'm using today is the Godox 8600BM, and the good thing about this light is that it's battery powered, which means there is no wires running around the studio, and it just makes the studio look very clean and nice. In terms of equipment, I'm using the Canon 750D with an 85mm 1.8, and I'm using a single light in a beauty setup. The modifier that I went for is a beauty dish because I wanted something contrasty. I switched to a 7-foot umbrella later to get a softer light source. I'm going to link the page of the stylist and the makeup artist in the description below, so make sure you check them out on Instagram, check out their works, and make sure you follow me on Instagram as well.
Yo soy una hija del Inti Sol, de la Pachamama y del Inti Sol. Yo soy hermana del pueblo.
Like a flower that is losing its petals, I saw people losing their head. There are too many levels, and nobody to tell you what's next. She took her time to handle the ache.
I hope you enjoyed this video, and I hope you learned a thing or two from it. And don't forget to subscribe to this channel to see more behind the scenes and tutorial videos like this, as I'll be releasing more videos on this channel. I know I've been away for some time, but I'm back now, and I have tons of stuff to give to you guys, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.